everything from tactics for sports like short track to create curriculum for sports based on where athletes are in their pathway. So it's really become a very broad-based kind of a tool and process that I think is only going to gain more and more strength as we move on. The tactical use of the information has become really important and prevalent. You know, we're seeing now where, you know, short track, they're using it to try and understand, you know, how they can deal with different opponents. Curling, the same kind of thing, how they might change their game through, you know, through an early shift in certain pieces. So, you know, those kind of analytics that will help shape tactics in game and in process, I think will have a big effect as, you know, not only in Korea but beyond. As the saying goes, you know, from Moneyball, if you're not playing in this game, in this space right now, you're going to be left in the dust.
A lot of curling over the years has been sort of old wives' tales, and you know, you learn from doing, and I think this will speed up the process for a lot of people, and someone can show you irrefutable evidence, it's easier to understand, and it's easier to accept and then make changes for the positive. So I think that's probably where this will take us. It's chess on ice. There's a lot of decision making, there's a lot of pros and cons, and if we do this, then this happens, and you know, this leaves the other player this, and you know, if analytics can show you, you know, you might really want to make call A, but maybe call B leaves your opposition shot C, which he misses all the time, so then you've got a better chance to win.
It's very valuable to us, and I mean, when we're looking at a start, which is a 4 to 5 second portion of our luge run, and we're looking for hundredths or even thousandths of a second within that start. I mean, we've relied on a lot of analytics, whether it's forced plate handles, so judging what difference there is between the left side and the right side in our pull, and measuring that just to make sure that we're as even as possible to create as much velocity straight forward.
Sure, it's definitely helping us to make sure that we have the right condition in place for our athletes, the type of fitness level we want to see from them, the type of performance we want to see from a start perspective. That type of stuff is really dialed in for Pyeongchang already from analytics.
You saw it in baseball, you see it in basketball now, where the smart teams, the teams that are paying attention to this stuff, win. And so everybody starts to do it because in the end it's an athletic competition and people are trying to win.